Hi everyone and welcome to the VMD crash course for beginners. Today in a short video together we will convert a GROMACS trajectory file .xtc file into a DCD file, and usually you need this if you're going to use a code or an MD analysis library that require only a DCD file, but you run your simulation in GROMACS, or for a reason you want to convert it into a DCD format for any reason you want. So it's quite simple. I have here a GROMACS trajectory and I have the topology file. So I will go to VMD and I will get the trajectory. It's 1000 frames. Yep. And I will get my topology. Here is it. And here's my trajectory. You see? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna save everything in DCD format. You can do this either by scripting, which is quite advanced, but if you're a beginner, you just click here, select everything in VMD, and you say File, Save Coordinates, and you choose your format. I'll choose it as DCD. You see, we have many formats, whatever you want, but this time we're talking about DCD, so I'll choose DCD and I'll choose all. Sometimes if you have a protein in a solvent or protein in water, you can choose here protein or ions. So this will choose protein and ions. But in my case here, I will say all. And here you can choose the stride. I can choose only the first 500 frames, okay? And the stride is 1, so it will take only the first 500 frames without cutting any frames. And I will say save, and I will say, for example, mode.dcd, and then I will say save, and here I have my new trajectory in DCD format. So you see you have the VMD icon here. So let's delete this and try to load this trajectory. So get it here. You see 500 frames, and get my topology. You see, and here's it. So it's quite simple. You can do, as I said, you can do this by scripting, but for the sake of beginners, I did it using the easiest way of VMD, and see you in the next video. Thank you.